stitching and duetting. So I understand duets to be you play a video alongside and you sing along, talk along. And how's that different than a stitch where you're just commenting on somebody else's video? Or
Yes. So a duet can be kind of like a, yeah, look at this. Or, you know, if you don't agree with it, you could be like, this is nonsense if you really want. But then why are you like lifting up a video you don't really agree with? Typically, I don't duet my own videos, but for the sake of showing you something, I could take this video and I can go to Duet. So you see on the bottom, so I should show you that. So when you click on a video and you want to do something with it, you go to the 3 dots on the right, boop, clicked on them. So I could send them to someone if I really wanted to be like, hey, you should see this video. I can, on the second line here, copy the link. I can post it to my stories, post it on Facebook, Twitter, whatever. And then on this bottom row, it's a little bit more like personal options. So look at the analytics, pin it to your profile, duet, stitch, which we're going to talk about. I can change privacy settings of one video, ad settings, all that good stuff. So again, don't typically stitch or duet your own video, but for the sake of explanation, duets then, oh look, my green screen's still up. Let's put on the little background. When I hit record, if I hit record, it would record as the video is playing. So it would start playing that same video. I can change the layout here. So I can be to the left or right of that video. I can be in front of the video. So I could like, I'm not sure if this is picking me up here. Yeah, I can like point at myself and be like, yeah, and then quick go out of screen. You can see me, I'm still here, but I'm off my phone. So then I would just show someone the video. That's another way. Layout is how you change these. Some people will use these for like trend alerts, like look at this video, look at this trend, you should really try it. So that's an option. And then another option would be top and bottom. Typically I see this in like a look at this trend. This one and this one are probably the most used. And you can switch back and forth. Yeah, and so you're giving kudos, or you're just kind of sitting next to the video. You're not going to hear yourself. You're just going to see the video, but you can like, you can point to it. You can add some text to it so that you say, I really think everyone should watch this video, or whatever you want to say. Stitch, you are taking the first like 5 seconds or 1 second, like anywhere under 5 seconds of the video, and then responding to it. Did you know pastors can be YouTubers? Stitch. So I would stop it like right there, 2 seconds. Again, you don't typically stitch your own videos, but if I was responding to this, now anything I record after that will be my response. And I could be like, duh, everybody knew pastors could be YouTubers. I'm the biggest YouTube pastor there is. I'm not. I'm saying I'm not because a TikTok troll was just accusing us. I don't know if you saw that earlier this week, of saying that we're pastors and yet something. And then I was like, go ahead and try to find one video where I say I'm a pastor. But now they will be able to find this video. So I'm saying I'm not. Anyway. So that's how you stitch. And then in stitch, you're responding to what was said in the first 5 seconds, or you're, you're responding it, whether you're agreeing with it or disagreeing with it, or you're making fun of it, or you're commenting on it. And it's a good way to, it does connect a little bit with that original video. And so, discard this. A lot of times people will recommend not necessarily like interacting with videos that you really don't want to promote, because it might give them more attention if more people are duetting and stitching their videos. That being said, if there is a viral video that has a lot of traction already, you interacting with that video might give your video a little more traction because there's already a lot of attention on that first video. And so when someone sees it on their feed, they might be like, oh, I thought I saw this video earlier. Oh, it's a stitch. And actually, I've seen a lot of people that do use Stitch frequently will put a little text bubble on like the first 5 seconds or 2 seconds of that initial video that says incoming Stitch, so that if they are commenting on something that's like totally outside of what their followers would typically watch, and it seems like just wonky, and their followers might be like, oh, I got on the wrong side of TikTok, they know, oh no,
Right.
this is an incoming Stitch, someone I know and like is going to comment on this video.